we'll guide you through how to create events in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, go to the specific project where you want to add an event. Click on the project name to open it. In the project view, you'll notice a list of tasks. To create an event, you need to create a new task. So, click on the Add Task button, which is usually at the top of the task list. Give your task a name that describes the event. This could be something like Team Meeting or Project Deadline. After naming your task, you can click on it to open up more details. Here, you can add a description, assign it to team members, and set a due date. If your event is happening at a specific time, you can use the due date feature to specify not just the day, but also the time. Click on the calendar icon, select the date, and then click on the clock icon to set the time. You can even make this a recurring event by selecting Set to Repeat if it happens regularly. Once you've filled in all the details, make sure to click Save or Close to ensure all changes are applied. Now your event is set up in Asana, and your team members can see it and prepare accordingly. Remember, you can always edit or update the event details later by clicking on the task again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.